So I have done my computer science engineering. In Canada, I have done the diploma in IT security and IT computer securities. After that, I went to different field. I got the job in electrical field. So right now I'm working in electrical. So I have to switch back to IT.
You wanted to come to IT, but which role would you like to pursue?
Yeah, I was looking for cloud or networking.
Yeah, then
I
go for
had CCNA certificate passed, but not now. I didn't renew that.
Yeah, then gladly go for cloud.
What certification do you suggest for that?
Depends on which cloud you take up. You can take up either Azure or Google Cloud or AWS Cloud. Depending on which cloud you choose, you have to take the starting certification and then the solutions architect certification, and then there is a DevOps certification for the cloud native DevOps tools, and there is a Terraform certification.
Okay, so should I go with the SQL also along with that, or?
No, not needed. The skill is mostly towards data engineering, not for cloud engineering.
Okay.